ASUS TUF Gaming F15 Review. Game Store, LK. ASUS TUF Gaming F15. Armed with the strength to tackle any situation, the TUF Gaming F15 delivers dependable performance for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. GeForce RTX 3050 discrete GPU, it can pump out reliably high frame rates in a wide range of popular games. The TUF Gaming Backpack features a large internal compartment with dividers, so you can safely store and transport your laptop and all your peripherals to LAN parties and tournaments. The TUF Gaming F15 is bundled with matching accessories that are all built with durability in mind. The TUF Gaming M5 mouse is the perfect foil for the F15 laptop. Durable and ergonomic, it features 6 programmable buttons, low-friction feet, and even has customizable lighting effects. Designed stealthy and striking, two sleek looks give garners greater freedom to show off their personal style. Choose between a stealthy and sleek fortress gray chassis or an eye-catching bonfire black design accented with a crimson stripe. The subtle honeycomb patterning around the base adds grip and echoes hexagon reinforcements around the chassis, while hairline brushstrokes across the palm rest keep it sleek and clean. ASUS TUF Gaming F15. ASUS TUF F15 FX506 HCBHN140W Core i5 Plus RTX 3050 Intel Core i5-11400H processor, 8GB DDR4 2933 MHz 512GB M2 NVMe SSD, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3054GB DDR6 with ROG Boost. (15.6 inches 1080p 144 Hz anti-glare IPS-level 45% NTSC). Optimized for gaming. Arm yourself with a desktop-style keyboard optimized for gaming. Uniform RGB backlighting lets you express your own unique style, while highlighted WASD accents give you a visual shortcut to key movement commands. Overstroke technology triggers higher in each keystroke for faster responsiveness and effortless control. In true TIFF form, each key is durable enough to withstand over 20 million presses for superb long-term reliability and precision. 2 upgraded speakers with 4 cutouts pump out 1.8x more sound with 2.7x deeper bass than previous generations for a richer audio experience. NTSC Ultra technology delivers high-fidelity 7.1-channel virtual surround sound for theater-quality audio with stereo headsets. Comprehensive cooling ensures that every TUF gaming laptop can sustain high performance and maintain effectiveness over a long lifespan. Multiple heat pipes and 3 heatsinks draw heat away from core components and dissipate it quickly even during intense gaming sessions. A self-cleaning cooling design ensures that each device's cooling system stays strong for the long run, while operating modes balance performance and noise levels for the specific task at hand. There are 2 SODIMM slots, which should support up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM in dual-channel. Interestingly, there are 2 M.2 NVMe slots as well as a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay.